Hi. Thanks for joining us for the tutorial 7 of SmartMaker Basic Function. In the previous tutorials, using SmartMaker authoring solution, we have created application screens for saving, searching, and displaying data in a database, and a home screen for connecting individual screens to complete the application's look and functions. In today's tutorial, we will package the application and upload it to an open market. Packaging is a process of converting the application to a single app product that can be uploaded to a market, so users can download and install it on their devices. SmartMaker's all-in-one development environment provides tools for creating your application but also supports packaging and market upload. Before we begin, let's connect the solution to the server. Select Connect Server from File menu in the top toolbar. Leave the default ID, SA, unchanged, and enter the default password 1, and click Connect button. Once connected to the server, go to Deploy menu at the top and select Create Package. First, let's add Product ID. Product ID will become the file name of the packaged app product. Product ID can contain alphabetical and numerical characters. In our example, we will enter restaurant as the product ID. Next is the app name. App name is the application name that will be displayed on the user's mobile device when downloaded. App name should match the file name of the first screen that will be used when the app is opened. In our example, the file name of our first screen is My Favorites, so our application name should also be My Favorites. Make sure to name your application's first screen as the name you want for your application. Next, let's add an icon for the app product. The icon should be an image file with a PNG extension. In our example, we will select Icon PNG. Next, let's choose the operating environment for the application. Select from Android, iOS, and Windows options, and the installation file will be created for the selected operating environment. In SmartMaker, once the app program is created, it can be packaged for all major platforms. When testing your application on mobile devices, select Android for Android device testing and iOS for iOS device to reduce unnecessary packaging time. In this example, we will select Android. Next, we will configure the database operation environment. If you select the first option, Install Local DB on device, the application's database will be installed and stored only in your device. This option is recommended for a private application meant for personal use. The second option, Connect to an external DB server, is suited for application meant for multiple users with capability for simultaneous access. If you select Connect to External DB Server option, multiple people can access your application at the same time. The third option, Use Local and External DB together, is an option for an app product that needs to use both local and external DB features together. Since our goal is to test the application on our individual devices, we will select Install Local DB on Device option as our database operation environment. In the previous tutorial, we have created the database table to store restaurant information entered in the application. Since the table we created was based on PC environment, we will convert it into a table that can be used in a smartphone. To convert the table, click the button labeled Start DB Conversion under Local DB Setup option. In Application Packaging window, all existing database table under the database name DVDB is listed on the left side in a tree form. Unselect all tables by clicking the checkbox on the left of DVDB, and select only the tables created for the app program we are currently packaging. For our application, we will check Add Restaurants table. Press Next button to see the selected table name on the news screen, and click Convert button. In the Select Folder window, select the default execution path folder, where all the screens for our applications are saved. In our example, we will select My Favorites folder. When you click OK, Based on the analysis of the database structure and schema, the authoring solution converts the database table. Although database schema analysis has always been in professional programmers' domain, with SmartMaker, anyone can use automatic tools to convert the database. When the conversion is completed, close the window and click Next. Now, let's select a folder to be packaged. Confirm that the selected folder matches the default execution path and the screens created earlier in QPM file format. In our example, the selected folder should be My Favorites, and the folder should contain 3 QPM files created earlier. If the folder and the QPM files within the folder are correct, click Next button. Finally, when you click Create Package button, you can see the automatic packaging being processed. When the packaging process is finished, a message will appear indicating that the file has been created successfully. Click Finish button to finish packaging process. Now, the application is packaged and we have produced an APK file for our application. An APK file can be submitted to open markets such as Google's Play Store, Apple's App Store. In this example, we will test release our application to SmartMaker. To upload the packaged application, first, select Upload Market from Deploy menu at the top. If you select Test Release and click Next button, the packaged APK file and the date created will appear. After selecting the package, confirm the date and time are correct. Next, enter application information such as a product name, summary, and detailed description. To move to the next step, click Upload Package. When the upload process is completed, QR code is generated that you can scan to download and install directly on your device. To scan QR code, use any app or browser with QR scan functionality. Let's install the application on the mobile device. If you click the downloaded APK file to start the installation, a series of installation procedures will begin. After installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. Select Add Restaurants button on the screen and check all the functions added in the authoring solution are executed correctly. Let's test Save function. Enter restaurant information, press Save button. You can check that it is saved correctly. And if you press the Back or Next button, you can see that the previously entered data is searched. In addition, if you press and hold the phone number field, the dial function is activated, and if you press and hold the address, you can see the location information. You can also see that the restaurant search screen works as it did in the authoring solution. If you select the information of the restaurant in the search box and press the Full Info button, a screen appears so that you can view the information. We can also see the chart function operating correctly. In today's tutorial, we have packaged the application we have created, uploaded it to SmartMaker, and tested it on a mobile device. In the course of short tutorials, we have completed the process from developing the application from scratch to uploading an app product to a SmartMaker. In the next series of tutorials, we will take a deeper look at SmartMaker's powerful tools and create an application with advanced functionalities and complex processing suitable for commercial use. Follow us in the upcoming tutorials and create your very own professional application. Thanks for watching.